Oh yeah, that's big mountain called Pomori, which is 7,141 meter. To the left hand side of Pomori, there is one mountain called, there is one little one, quite looks like Pomori, but the other one called Lingtwen. And the cloud is so good. Not much cloud, few of them is so good. There is Kombusi, another one, and the back side of Kombusi, there is Sangasi. You can see the Khumbu ice fall down there. And this is the way how to climb Mount Everest, top of the world. The black behind is the top of the world, Mount Everest, Sagarmatha. So there is Khumbu Ice Fall where we are going, and also called Everest Base Camp. We're gonna make it. We are really close, and there are my friend from Australia. We are going up to Everest Base Camp. We are nearly there. Few of them is really strong, and few of them is struggling to be in there in base camp. There is one pointy one. It's called Nukti, which is 7,993 meter. Looks really high, but because of distance, it's not that high as Everest. We can see huge glacier down there, which is expanded until Labuchi. Yeah, it's been a really good day, and I'm very happy to be here after 7 days hiking. This is the trail how we came out here. Yeah.